Hola, 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 Shafiri Uzit Mzansi. Thank you for tuning in to Everything SAT Ski. And on this one today, we got you. Promoted Pirates winger chooses Mfukeng's jersey number. We all know Uti, there has been a lot of talks surrounding this young star known as Mpo Pop Mapotlela Champagne Padima. Has inherited the club's famous number 38 following the departure of Relebohile Mfukeng. Mpo Padima has officially been promoted to the Buccaneers senior squad ahead of the 2026-2027 Betway Premiership season after an outstanding campaign in the STV Tiski Challenge. Mpo Padima ends Orlando Pirates promotion. Born in June 2007 in Katlehong, Johannesburg, Padima first made his name in the township football while playing for Catras Juventus FC. His dazzling dribbling, blistering pace, and entertaining Kasi flavor style quickly attracted interest from several clubs. Although Kaizer Chiefs offered him a development contract, the teenage star chose to join Orlando Pirates in September 2025. His decision has already paid off, playing under the senior the Diski TV Challenge coach Roscoe in the DSTV Challenge. Padima scored 10 goals and provided 9 assists during the 2025-2026. His 19 goal contribution helped the Buccaneers win the reserve title league with a record-breaking 75 points. The winger also traveled with the first team on their preseason tour of Spain. He featured against Cordoba CF and Udo Las Palmas, where he continued to impress the technical team. Orlando Pirates hand iconic number to him, with Mfukeng completing his move to the European side. The shirt became known with Mfukeng, who developed into one of South Africa's biggest stars before securing his overseas move. Padima will now hope to build his own legacy in the same number. The jersey change also reflects the club's growing faith in the academy talent. Padima, among several DSTV Ski Challenge graduates, promoted to the senior squad as Absalom Wadu prepares for his first season in charge of the reigning Betway Premiership. A lot of speculation says this number will bring a lot of pressure to the player. Please let me know what you think about this decision from Popadimas down below the comment section. From your boy Isaac, why so nice, Omtaro and Chumba. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button because we all know Del Rato never left the building. How am I?
Tonight's game against the Buccaneers. Bele. Oh, that's goal bound. That is